Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start with the connection. Make sure the Bluetooth device is paired and actively connected. That allows iPhone to present editable settings. Once done, unlock your iPhone and open Settings, then tap Bluetooth to see the list. Locate the device name in the list and tap the small info icon. That opens that device's detail screen. This step is necessary because the name field only appears when the phone recognizes an active pairing, so don't skip confirming connectivity first. Now you'll change the name itself. Tap the info icon, then tap Name to make the field editable. The keyboard appears so you can type a new label. Use a concise name so it's easy to spot in lists. Special characters work, but keep it short. After typing, tap Done to save. The iPhone writes the new name to the device profile and refreshes the list. If you're renaming headphones or speakers, the name update is immediate. For some peripherals, it may take a few seconds. Finish by verifying the change. Look at the Bluetooth list to confirm the new name appears. If not, disconnect and reconnect the device. If the name field is grayed out, that device requires its companion app or firmware to rename, or you can unpair and repair to reset naming options. Make sure to restart Bluetooth or the iPhone if things act up. One quick troubleshooting tip: unpairing and repairing often restores full rename controls, and it fixes most stale displays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.